everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net. Thanks again for watching. This is your sailing weekend and week ahead outlook updated on Friday the 10th of January. Now don't forget, service is completely free of charge. Please get out there, tell your friends about it, tell them to come and watch the videos and show them what we're doing on here. With your support, we can keep the service free of charge and get these videos updated and the forecast updated more regularly. Okay then, so kicking off, first of all, we'll start with the chart for tomorrow, for Saturday, and this is showing down to the south of the country during the course of Saturday. Here it is, and I think what we'll find is just light winds really affecting the channel. I think generally we're going to be looking at the winds probably mainly coming in from an easterly direction. I think no more than around a force 2 or perhaps a 3 in the central parts of the channel. Out towards the west though, through the southern Irish Sea, you're probably going to be in a southeast to southerly, blowing here at around a force 3, perhaps just into the low end of a 4, but goodness me, what a change from last weekend. Western Scotland, the winds are going round into a westerly, probably here a 6, perhaps just touching a 7 across these northern coasts, and I think those northern parts of the Irish Sea could get up to a force 4 as well. Eastern coast of Scotland, we're looking at a westerly, probably at around a 6. I think eastern coast of England, we're generally in a westerly, little bit of northwesterly in it as well, I think blowing at around a 5, although perhaps 4 down in this far southeastern corner. So actually not too bad a day, excuse me, through Saturday. On to Sunday, and during Sunday we've got the area of high pressure out towards the east. Look, it's clearing away. The southerly wind's starting to pick up, and we've got this front that moves in from the west during the day. I think generally though, out towards the eastern channel, we're going to be looking at southerlies increasing up to a force 5 in the afternoon, perhaps touching a 6 by the evening. Up these eastern coasts of England, we're southerly blowing at an early 3, but I think then probably increasing up to a 4 and a 5 in the afternoon, well into a 5 probably by the evening. Further west, in the western channel, the wind's coming round during the course of the morning, becoming southwesterlies here at a 6. I think getting up to a 7, perhaps even knocking at an 8 in the far western channel later on. The Irish Sea generally is southerly, I think a 6 here, perhaps just knocking a 7 offshore, and southeastern Scotland, I think a southeasterly here at a 5 to a 6, although the wind's becoming 6s during the course of the evening, perhaps even knocking a 7 late on. Visibility deteriorating as this system moves in as well, becoming moderate to poor out towards the west. And then on to Monday, and through the course of Monday, we're seeing the flow going round into a southeast, into a southwesterly. Now, lower confidence on this one. I'm not sure how this evolves during the course of next week, and there is some question over it, but generally I think we're looking at southwesterly through the channel, probably blown at around a 4 in the eastern channel, probably getting up to a 5, possibly low end of a 6 in the western channel, and I think you need to watch for moderate visibility at times because of showers. The Irish Sea, I think we're looking at south-southwesterly to southwesterly, and probably here we're blowing at around a 5. Western parts of Scotland, south-southwesterly, again blowing around a 5. Off the eastern coast of Scotland though, and eastern England, I think we're into a southwesterly proper. Here we're looking at a 4 to a 5 close to shore, but I think once you get offshore, we're looking at a force 5. Showers out towards the west, as you can see, but drier out towards the east. And then as we get into Tuesday, that southwesterly flow stays with us during the course of Tuesday. I think generally we're looking at southwesterlies across most of the country. Speeds through the channel probably looking at around a 4 to a 5 in the eastern channel, a bit low end of a 5. I think we're looking at a 5, possibly becoming a 6 later in the western channel. Through the Irish Sea, I think we're looking at a 5 in the south, probably a 4 to a 5 in the north. Western Scotland, I think we're looking at a 5, and eastern coast of England, we're looking at 4 to 5. That front you can see here, only a very weak affair, reducing visibility to moderate times in the rain. And then this more organised system coming in from the west, it increases speeds up to an 8 across southwestern parts of Ireland as rain comes in the afternoon and visibility deteriorates, as you would expect with that system. And then looking into Wednesday, real low confidence in this for Wednesday. Not sure exactly where this front is going to be. It could be that that front is actually further back here. Generally though, I think what we're going to be seeing is southwesterly, probably 6s and 7s through the channel. I think generally southwesterlies at a 5 through the Irish Sea. I think more a southeasterly off Western Scotland at a 4, and I think coming up these eastern coasts of England we need to look for a southeasterly blowing at a 6, possibly even a 7 offshore. But as I say, big question mark over this one and how this develops during the course of next week. Well, that's it for now. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to tell your friends about us. You can also watch us at weatherweb.net. You can follow us at WXWeb as well. And of course, all the latest sailing forecasts are at sailingweather.co.uk. I'm Simon Keeling. Whatever you're doing, have a great day and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.